Magaolan Electronic Instrument Company, Limited is an industry leader in refurbished electronic test and measurement equipment sales since 2003. Provided high-quality test and measurement equipment to our customers all over the world at substantial cost savings. We have several sales offices, repair lab and stocks located throughout China like Suzhou, Wuhan, Xi'an, Kunming and etc. With more than 20 RF and microwave test equipment repair experts. We offer pre-owned electronic test and measurement equipment from manufacturers such as Keysight, Agilent, Rode and Schwartz, Fluke, and so on. The refurbished or pre-owned equipment we provide is inspected, cleaned, tested, and verified to the original manufacturer's specifications. And we can see here is one of our warehouses. Now we are packing one Fluke Calibrator 5520A.